PMC has established an India-based subsidiary called PMC India, PMCI, to provide retailers of almost any size with an offshore service that uniquely combines retail industry specialisation with offshore cost savings, but without the problems and inefficiencies of traditional offshore solutions. Retailers must drive cost efficiencies. They must strive for better value in every service they buy or contract they secure. Retailers that want to make step changes in their IT cost base must think laterally, and that includes thinking about offshore solutions, either to support an existing solution or develop a new one. For most UK retailers, a retail-focused offshore solution can be a great option, but there are important issues to consider. These include ensuring a retail focus, getting the A team on your side, effective management, cultural understanding, getting beyond the sales pitch, and making certain everyone really understands everyone else. The PMC approach is something completely different. We don't look for traditional factory-based development assignments. Neither do we look for projects where we deliver for the lowest possible price by decomposing everything to the lowest possible level. All this does is strip out the additional value that we know is critical to success offshore. We concentrate on added value relationships, where customers expect PMC to contribute a considerable amount to the system or project. Our team thrives in that environment. The major factor in ensuring that all-important retail focus is PMC's onshore presence. Both parts of the organisation, on and offshore in the UK and India, work in a completely joined-up way. In the UK, we have talented, experienced retail people. That enables our Indian team to build up their retail experience and learn quickly. PMC's native, intuitive retail understanding adds a layer of value and protection for our clients within a framework that's completely transparent and integrated between the UK and India. Business analysis, requirements gathering and specification is handled in the UK. We document the specification before presenting it back to the customer to verify their requirements prior to sign-off. That specification is then presented in a structured format that the developers in India can understand. To ensure that delivery matches specification, we retain testing and QA in the UK. This gatekeeping function, in and out of the development process, ensures complete retail understanding and gives our customers a secure top and tail process. Unless you're a large Tier 1 retailer, then a potential offshore provider could put you a long way down their list of priorities. The aggressive growth ambitions of most large Indian offshore providers put them in a race to see who can be the biggest, fastest. Retail is an attractive vertical, but unless you're offering a multi-million-dollar deal, then you have to question whether you'll get the A team or the Z team. Before you make an offshore decision, it's important to be clear about your objectives. How much will the offshore provider value your business? How much value do you expect your offshore partner to add to your business? Do you really expect them to add value, or do you just want them to decompose a specification into lines of code and give it back to you? If you want a cheap offshore code factory, you must understand what that means. You will have to make sure the specification is 100% right. You will have to build a rigid testing regime. And you must ensure you have highly qualified coders. And be prepared to invest the intellectual resource that will provide the essential retail understanding. Do all that and you're fine. Neglect to do it and you will face delays and extra cost.